Hey flutes, on today's lesson, lesson page 4, accent on review, we are going to review some of the very first notes and rhythms that we've learned through our last accent book, and we're going to employ them in our new accent book with this lesson, lesson 4. Also, the Barcarolle from Tales of Hoffman duet, Deck the Halls, and Billy Boy, an American folk song. So let's jump right in and get started. At the top of the page, we've got some things to review. We've got to review the notes G, low G, 3 fingers. That's the low G that appears on the second line of our treble clef. Then we've got the note low F, which will add our first finger. So we have 3 fingers and 1 finger. And then we'll need the note high A natural, which is the first ledger line, and we'll need 2 fingers on our left hand. We'll need our thumb and our pinky for tone and balance. And then the last note to review is our high B flat. And it's our B flat fingering that we know and love, and we'll overblow, and so we'll get the high register of that. We've got single eighth notes, quarter note, the dotted quarter note, syncopation, the eighth rest, a multiple measure rest. We'll also review our staccato symbol, which is a dot placed right below or right above any particular note. And then finally some dynamic markings. Mezzo forte, medium loud, mezzo piano, medium soft, and the tempo marking vivace, which means very fast. So let's get started with our first playing example, number 9, Barcarolle from the Tales of Hoffman duet by Jacques Offenbach. And we are going to set our tempo to moderato, and I've got mine set at 86 beats per minute. This is a duet, so I'll play part A first. Join me. You can join me with part A, or you can play part B as the duet. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, begin. Repeat. Be careful and make sure that you're using your A flat fingering for this example, because there are 3 flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat. Now, I'll go to part B. There's a multiple measure rest in here, so you'll hear me counting 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3 to represent that multiple measure rest. You can play part A and make this a duet, or you can join me on part B. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, begin. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. So there you go. Next we move on to vivace and Deck the Halls. We're going to play that very fast. On my metronome, vivace is the tempo of 132 to 139. If this is too fast for you, practice it at a speed where you will have success, and then gradually increase that speed until you can match this tempo. Deck the Halls takes away our A flat, and we have only B flats and E flats. Be careful of the first repeat in the 4th measure, so we'll play the first 4 measures twice before moving on to measure 5. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. that's certainly a fun one. Now we'll move on to the last exercise on this page, the American folk song Billy Boy. I'll change my tempo to allegro, and I'll also note that I'm in 2/4 time. We're still having B flats and E flats. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, ready, begin. Well done. Now, if you need to, go back and practice some of these on your own, and then come back and play them alongside this video for some extra review. So, until I see you again, keep practicing.